What if I told you you could start a blog today powered by AI that makes money while you sleep? No more 9-to-5 jobs. No more trading time for dollars. Just a smart, automated system that earns passive income for you 24/7. Sounds like a dream? That's affiliate marketing powered by AI. And today, I'm not just going to explain the theory, I'm going to walk you through the exact steps so you can follow along with me and build your first affiliate blog. By the end of this video, you won't just know how to do it, but you'll have your very own AI-driven blog that generates income on autopilot. So stick around, because this is the future of blogging and you don't want to miss it. Welcome back to AI Money Secret, the channel where we turn AI tools into real, faceless, passive income streams you can build without tech skills, experience, or even showing your face. In this video, I'll show you, number 1, how affiliate blogs actually work and why they're so powerful in 2025 and beyond. Number 2, how to pick a niche that can pay you for years. Number 3, how to get approved for affiliate programs. Number 4, how to use ChatGPT to write blog posts in minutes. Number 5, how to set up your blog without coding. And number 6, how to promote and monetize your blog for free so it gets traffic and makes money. If you've ever wanted to build passive income while working smart, not harder, this video is for you. Sound exciting? Smash the like and subscribe button now. And don't forget, this is part of a full playlist on different methods of making money online using AI. You'll find the other videos in the playlist section on my channel. I'll add the link in the description. Now let's get started. First, understand affiliate blogs. Let's get the basics out of the way. What is an affiliate blog? It's a website where you write helpful articles, reviews, or tips about a topic. Inside those articles, you recommend products or services using your affiliate link. When someone clicks your link and buys, you earn a commission. Simple, right? But here's the secret. Your blog doesn't have to be big. It doesn't need to rank first on Google. And you don't have to update it every single day. You just need helpful, focused content that solves a specific problem. And this is where AI can help us work smarter. Step 2. Pick a profitable niche. Before we build anything, we need to choose what your blog will be about. This is called picking your niche, the main topic your blog will focus on. Why does this matter? Because if your blog tries to be about everything, it won't attract the right people. But if it's about one thing, people who need help with that thing will find you and trust you. To pick your niche, first, take a piece of paper and answer this. What's one thing you enjoy learning about or talking about? Be honest with yourself. You can look at popular affiliate blog niches such as AI and tech tools, personal finance, health and fitness, productivity, and education. If you still stuck, then go to Etsy or Gumroad. Search for Digital Plus your idea. For example, if you're interested in finance, search Digital Plus Finance. See what people are already buying. This will show you there's real demand in that niche. Once you've got your niche, write it down. Step 3, find affiliate programs. Let's make sure you can actually get paid for recommending products in your niche. Step by step, find affiliate programs. Step 1, write down 2 to 3 products or tools related to your niche. For example, if your niche is AI tools, you maybe promote Jasper AI, Pictory, or Canva. Step 2, visit each tool's website and scroll down and look for affiliate program, partners, or become an affiliate. Step 3, if you find it, click and apply. Most are free and easy to join. Step 4, if you can't find a program, go to partnerstack.com, impact.com. Search for your niche. These are affiliate marketplaces full of opportunities. Step 5, once your affiliate account gets approved, save your unique affiliate link. Tip, start small. Pick 2 or 3 affiliate products only to begin. Trying to promote too many will confuse both you and your readers. Step 4, create blog content using ChatGPT. All right, you've got your niche. You've got your affiliate products. Now it's time to fill your blog with helpful content. And here's the best part. You won't have to write everything yourself. We'll let ChatGPT do the heavy lifting. Step by step, create your first blog post. Step 1, go to ChatGPT and log in. Step 2, type this prompt. Write a 1,200 words blog post titled 5 best AI tools for small business owners in 2025. Include pros and cons for each tool and recommend your affiliate products where appropriate. Step 3. Press enter. Step 4. Now ChatGPT will generate the article for you. Step 5. Once it is ready, read carefully. If it sounds robotic, say, rewrite this in a friendly, conversational tone. Or make it sound like a blog post a human would write. Step 6. Ask ChatGPT to add an introduction and a conclusion with a call to action, like, click here to try affiliate product today. Step 7. Save the article in a Google Doc for now. Tip: create 5 to 10 blog posts before launching your site. A blog with more content looks trustworthy to readers and to Google. Step 5. Build your blog. Now that you have content, let's build your blog. No coding skills needed. Zero tech stress. Start with free and beginner-friendly option. Use platform. Behave. It's a great for blogs and newsletters combined. Step 1. Go to beehive.com and sign up. Step 2. Click Create Publication and give your blog a name. Step 3. Choose a template you like. Step 4. Copy and paste your ChatGPT articles into Beehive's editor. Step 5. Add your affiliate links in the articles where it makes sense. Step 6. Add an About Us page and a contact page. Step 7. Add an affiliate disclosure at the top or bottom of every post. Bonus: Beehive lets visitors subscribe to your newsletter automatically. Option 2. Low-cost, advanced blog. For advanced blogging, use platforms like WordPress or System.io. If you want full control and flexibility, use WordPress with affordable hosting, Bluehost or Hostinger, or try System.io's easy drag-and-drop builder. But for beginners, Beehive or System.io is perfect. Step 6. Promote and monetize your blog. Your blog is live. You've got great content. Now, let's get people to read it and click your links. Free promotion methods. Method 1. Pinterest. Create 5 to 10 pins in Canva for each blog post. Use simple, clear titles like 5 Best AI Tools for 2025. Link each pin to your blog post. Method 2. YouTube Shorts. Turn your blog posts into 30-second video scripts. Use Pictory or CapCut. Add captions and say, find the full list on my blog, link in bio. Method 3. Instagram Reels. Reuse the same video content from YouTube Shorts. Link to your blog in your bio. Method 4. Facebook Groups. Join groups related to your niche. Share useful tips from your blog. If allowed, share your blog link. Bonus monetization tip: as your traffic grows, you can apply for Google AdSense, accept sponsorships from brands, sell your own digital products to maximize income. Extra tip: if you use Beehive, visitors can subscribe to your newsletter. Then you can promote new blog posts and affiliate products directly to their inbox. And there you have it. In this video, you didn't just learn about affiliate blogs. You followed a real step-by-step system. You picked a niche, found affiliate programs, created content using ChatGPT, built a beginner-friendly blog, and learned how to promote it without ads, without showing your face, and without spending thousands of dollars. This is how you build a blog that earns while you sleep. No tech skills, no complicated setups, just smart use of AI and consistent action. Comment below and tell me what niche you're starting with. Like and share this video if you learned something new. Subscribe to AI Money Secret for more weekly step-by-step guides. Your passive income won't build itself. Let's get started today.